If your home feels cold in winter or you're seeing condensation on your windows, you're not alone. The good news is there's a simple solution. By retrofitting existing aluminium joinery with double glazed low E glass, you can keep your home warmer in winter, cooler in summer, and far more comfortable year round. The team from Retro DG by Metro Glass have arrived here on site for the classic swap over from old to new. In the back of the van are the brand new double glazed units, the DG units that will go into the existing opening. Also, we're replacing some sashes to allow for the double glazing. They've been made in the factory, they're ready to go. Let's take a look. Most Kiwi homes still rely on single glazed windows, which means that heat escapes, power bills climb, and your home never feels truly warm. Being in a room like this in a house of this vintage is really interesting, particularly when we're talking about RetroFit DG. Because what we're after is warm, dry, comfortable. That's what we want for all of our homes. So this house, built probably sometime around the 1980s, it'll have insulation in the walls, it'll have insulation in the ceiling, and you can upgrade it because you can get there. It'll have insulation, a little bit of it, in the floor, but you can upgrade that. So then you go, where is my heat loss going? What occurs? Well, it's going out through the old single glazed unit. By retrofitting your existing windows with double glazing, whether in aluminium or timber joinery, you can immediately boost comfort and lower heating costs. It's going to make this house much warmer. It's going to slow down that heat loss. This is a really good step for warm, dry, comfortable houses. It's a smart upgrade that protects your home and saves you money. As part of the install process, the two existing single glazed opening sashes have been removed because new ones have been made for there. And then in the middle where there's a fixed sash, the beads are coming out, the single glazed unit will come out, ready for the new double glazed unit. Each window can be customized with the right glazing for your family's needs, helping create a warmer, drier, healthier home. Different rooms have different needs. The sunny side of your home, the darker corners, those cold bedrooms don't all require the same type of double glazing. The team have done an outstanding job in replacing the old single glazing with brand new Retro DG. So fixed sash in the middle, the two opening sashes, they've been installed, some final checks, making sure that it's nice and airtight, replacing the hardware. If you'd like to find out more about getting this job done at your place, go to retrodg.co.nz.